ready to make a real change in just 1 month. This is your 30-day fitness challenge, designed to help you transform your body faster, boost your energy, and feel stronger every single day. Whether you're just starting out or looking to restart your routine, this challenge is simple, effective, and fully home-based, no gym required. All you need is commitment, consistency, and about 20 minutes a day. This challenge is built around 3 core principles: full body movement, progressive overload, and active recovery. Each week, you'll rotate through strength, cardio, and core-focused workouts, gradually increasing the intensity. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. With each passing day, your endurance will rise, your muscles will respond, and your confidence will grow. Week 1 is all about building the habit. You'll start with body weight basics: squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. Keep the reps light, around 10 to 12 per exercise, and focus on form. Add in 10 minutes of light cardio, like marching in place, jumping jacks, or a brisk walk. The idea is to wake up your body and set a strong foundation. Week 2, you'll step things up. Increase your sets, add time to your plank, and try interval-style cardio, 30 seconds of effort followed by 30 seconds of rest. This is when your metabolism starts kicking into gear. You'll begin to feel more energized, and you may already notice small changes in your strength and endurance. In week 3, we push further. This is your challenge week: more reps, longer holds, and faster intervals. Add exercises like mountain climbers, tricep dips, wall sits, and bicycle crunches. You'll be sweating more, moving with purpose, and burning serious fat. You're now training your body to adapt and grow. Week 4 is about finishing strong. Mix in everything you've learned: strength, cardio, and core in one powerful routine. You'll also add more mobility and stretching to support recovery. This final stretch helps your body reset, tighten up, and reveal the results of your hard work. And the best part? You don't need any equipment, just your body and your determination. Every day, track your progress in a notebook or app. Write down your reps, your times, how you felt. Small wins turn into massive momentum. Don't worry about the scale, focus on energy, stamina, and how your clothes fit. By the end of these 30 days, you'll feel stronger, leaner, and more in control of your health. You'll build discipline, boost your metabolism, and prove to yourself that real change doesn't take years, it just takes commitment. This isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle reset. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Start today, one representative at a time. Share your journey in the comments, subscribe for daily motivation, and remember, you're stronger than you think. This is your time to transform.